Hello everybody. In this short video presentation, I will try to talk about connectivity, the theory, as definition between the Greek two philosophers, Stephen Downes and George Siemens. I will start with George Siemens as he believes that the connective theory has some similarities of other theories as well as Stephen Downes also believed. He said connectivism is integration of principles explored by Chow network complexity and self-organization theories. He also mentioned that learning is a process that occurs within nebulous environment of shifting core elements, not entirely under the control of the individual. And this is what also I believe. Learning is a kind of networking between students and faculty, faculty and faculty sharing information together to get the learning and the knowledge. It's the kind of idea of networking and connective. George Siemens gave us a great principle of the theory. He says that capacity to know more is more critical than that we currently know. We can explain that in many ways. For example, if our brain have a specific capacity, since we learn more and more, and our brain may be full and cannot accept any more information and will be a challenge and hard. Also, we can say that keeping yourself encouraged to learn more and more is a challenge and is not easy. Also, he said ability to see connection between fields, idea, and concept is a core skill. And I like that to have a connection between, for example, whatever you study and whatever you work, and to merge this knowledge and make a network connected to help you professionally and academically. He also said decision making itself is a learning process, and choosing whatever you learn and making income information may be right on a specific time and in the future may be wrong, and it is smart of us to deal with that. Whatever we see right now is right, maybe in the future this decision is not working, and it's okay to reverse and do the opposite, to be familiar with time manner. Siemens talked about technology, and he said that knowledge and learning can be externalized due to the technology impact and inputs within today's world. Again, Siemens offers the following suggestion that the real issue is not related to technology, it is the conceptual jump that's most difficult. So he has nothing with technology, how the technology jump, how we involve it is the real challenge. I'll talk about Stephen Downing now, as he said connected is the thesis that knowledge is distributed across a network of connections, and therefore the learning consists of the ability to construct and traverse those networks. It shares with some other stories a core proposition, and I agree with that because we're learning from each other, from our faculty building their stories, and we are work and have connectivism with other Greek philosophers. So everybody can build his own theory based on other Greek people who had former experience. And I think when we gonna build our own theory as the last project, we will have some similarities of each theory we had learned, and it makes sense that we using other Greek generation help and knowledge to keep continuing, because there is no future without past, and this is working and connected. He also said Stephen Downing connectivism by contrast connection knowledge is the theory, literally the set of connections formed by action and experience. So he keep saying it again that experience and sharing experience with others is the most important part in any other theories. So I will continue making my networking and learning from Greek other Greek philosopher experience to keep me motivated and encouraged to learn more is what I have so far for today. Thank you very much.